How to fix Discord crashing when streaming. So if you want to fix the Discord crashing when streaming, then what you need to do is first open up your Discord application, or you can go with your browser. Once you're under your Discord, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now go with the bottom left, which has that user settings. Once you go with the user settings, you need to scroll down and go with the voice and video option. Once you go with voice and video, now make sure that your voice and video is turned on, and make sure to adjust the input and output volume. And you can also go with let's check to check your mic. And if you scroll down, then you will have an advanced preview option, right? Here you will have the advanced option. So under advanced, you will have hardware acceleration. So if you are facing a problem or crashing when streaming, then you just need to simply toggle off the option, which is hardware acceleration. Once you toggle it off, then it will not use your GPU for efficient video encoding and decoding. So you just need to simply toggle it off and then again restart your Discord and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.